Hello. Cut the grass.
You said they haven't gave you a price yet?
I think my sister said
Hi.
25, but I
We'll be right there.
Why?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Hey, what'd you do that for? Spring Valley, California. Check her out. Hey, put that back. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Lightning struck a light pole. Chicago, Illinois. This guy spots a barbecue grill and he wants it. But the homeowner has a few words for him. Let's see what happens. He does the classic Chicago Michael Jordan tongue out move. But it doesn't work.
Just called the police, so I advise you not to do that. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Get lost!
Then he ran. Running for the wind. Like, what the hell?
Yeah, ring for the win. Nashville, Tennessee. A homeowner realizes someone is inside of her Porsche Cayenne SUV. She comes outside and has a few words for him.
What you're doing? Get out of here! Lola, come! 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 Come!
That was a close one.
Oh my god, are all the dogs inside? I don't know.
Nashville, Tennessee. Homeland, California.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, hi. I thought the house was by itself. I was wondering if it was for sale.
No, it's not.
Yeah, thank you very much. Have a good morning.
Thanks.
I'm sorry, I apologize.
This ain't no open house. Get lost! Baltimore, Maryland. Apparently this guy likes this scooter. But you're gonna need a credit card to use that, buddy. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Too heavy, so she grabs the lighter package. El Cajon, California. So this guy's just hanging out on this homeowner's porch. But she has a few words for him. Let's see what happens.
What are you doing?
Waiting on someone? Maybe I have the wrong house.
Yeah. Get lost! With your booger fingers. Flint, Michigan. So these two guys try to get inside this homeowner's house. It's all caught in their Ring doorbell. Let's see what happens. Yeah, creepy stuff. Salt Lake City, Utah. So this lady pops up wiggling doorknobs at 2 in the morning. Looks like she's definitely at the wrong house. Chicago, Illinois. A Tesla owner shared this footage of somebody scraping the side of his car with a cement block. Yeah, why would you do that? Riverdale, Illinois. Check this guy out. Looks like he's doing a little dance. Peoria, Arizona. Check this guy out.
Hello, can I help you?
Yeah, do you have a lighter?
No, I don't.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Goodbye. Yeah, I'm still watching my camera.
Bye.
You can go ahead and leave.
Yeah, get lost! Nashville, Tennessee. This guy just comes along, just pops the balloons in front of this house. Now, why would you do that? Some people just want to mess everything up for other people. Meanwhile, in Fort Lauderdale, twice in one day. Baker, Louisiana. This guy comes up to someone's house with a mask on, talking about he needs a blanket. We don't got no blanket here for you, buddy. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com. Yeah.
Hello?
Do you have a cover I can use?
A cover?
Yeah.
I don't have no extra cover.
Alright, thank you.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.